A new wave is coming. It is filled with both opportunity and excitement, but danger too. Even as some resources become more scarce, new resources of information are rising. Decisions made by machines will be more prevalent, and if you're not ready, you'll be outmaneuvered in the blink of an eye. Is your data ready to feed your own army of algorithms? What about a whole new generation of data-savvy employees with computers in their pockets and hungry for the next insight? And what about the budget? Are you ready to face the privacy demands of an information-literate society? SAP is here to not only ready you for the wave, but to put you ahead of the game. SAP's leading solutions provide an ideal platform to weave together the fabric of all your data. Built to not just collect data, but to connect all your data. With SAP Data Warehouse Cloud solutions, you can tie all your data together in real time. SAP's state-of-the-art in-memory technologies mean that you no longer need to separate most data systems. You can analyze data in real time for decisions that affect your bottom line this minute, all with the security, privacy, and reliability you need. SAP's new Data Warehouse Cloud can be flicked on like a light switch. Pay for what you need when you need it. SAP can get you going fast. Are you ready?